Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials ready: your scenic, the phone registered with Jazzcash, and 1 or 2 recent transaction records for proof. Once done, open the Jazzcash app or call customer care from your registered number. This confirms your identity source. Choose the Login Help or Biometric/Access issues option immediately and follow prompts. The system will ask whether you cannot use biometrics. Say yes. This moves you into alternate verification flow, instead of wasting time on biometric retries. Now you perform the core verification steps. When prompted, enter the SMS OTP sent to your registered number, then provide the scenic number the app or agent requests. This links your account. If the system asks, upload a clear front and back scenic photo and a face selfie. This substitutes for biometric login. Make sure images are well lit and readable. Keep any confirmation or case numbers provided. They let you track progress. If an agent handles it, follow their exact instructions and repeat critical details slowly. Finally, set a new PIN or password once verification is approved. Make sure you enable SMS OTP or token-based two-factor as a fallback. After you're back in, perform a small test action such as a balance check or low-value transfer to confirm transactional access. Log out and log back in to ensure persistence. If verification repeatedly fails, go to a Jazzcash branch with your original scenic and printed transaction evidence. This in-person escalation solves problems that remote channels can't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.